Okay. Testing, testing. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Oh, right. Sweet. Am I audible? Okay, cool, cool, cool. Uh, oh man, this is such an awkward stream setup. I couldn't like connect to Webaverse. I think it might be an issue with my slop settings. Okay. So I guess it like in this like 1 hour and 45 minutes I'll make like an anon cat. So this is gonna be a non-cat Fortin. So I think like what I can do is like like show how I make like the cat and all the weird optimization and hacks that I wanna do. Um yeah, so a non-cat is gonna be like a T cat. So it's modeled after this like tea sage called Lu Yu. And I'm going to kind of model stuff for it. Um okay. Now I gotta figure out what do I do. Okay, I'm gonna give it some ropes and a hat and a teacup and a leaf. So I guess I could start out with a leaf since that's probably like the simplest one to do. Oh right, so with regards to like the Anon cats, these are kind of like the bones that I've already set it up with. So there's like a normal bone, happy bone. This is how I actually animate the faces. So for example, if I go to like layout and go to edit, like you can actually see all the weird faces over here. So like this is how the non-cats like change the faces. So I kind of animate like the scale of the faces so they move in and out via the bones. And that's how the non-cats change their face. So before I do any kind of editing, I'm gonna do this thing where I just select every single bone and just like move it up by 2 meters. Okay. Okay, the face is up here. Okay, this is a sad bone. Did I select anything? Okay, cool. Move it up by 2 meters. Move it up by 2 meters. Okay, now we have like a blanket and a bunch of weird seams around here. I think I can delete the seams for the time being. So if you go back to object mode, you can see this weird monstrosity at the top. Okay, so let's go to this edit mode and deselect the seams, clear them, clear the seams. Think for the oh, why is this selected? Oh, this is so weird. Something is so weird about this. What if I dissolve this itch? Huh? Why is this highlighted in blue? Okay. Very weird, very weird. Maybe I should not like clear the steam for that one. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that. That looks scary. Huh. Okay, now what do I do next? Okay, so I think I got like the initial cat model. I think I'll create a new mesh and create a leaf. So this is gonna be a tea leaf for the cat. So what can I use? Uh, use a mesh? Okay, should I use a plane or should I use a cube? So I could either use a plane, use a solidifier, and make some sort of a leaf. Or maybe let's start with a plane. Okay, where's the plane? Oh, that's huge. Okay, maybe you make it smaller, 0.5. That's it. Okay, let's center this. Or maybe move it to 1 meter to the right. Okay, I think this is too small. Maybe double the size. Does that look? I'll make it slightly bigger. And I think I'll just center it and hide the cat. Okay. Yeah, now left with this mesh and we are gonna turn it into a leaf. So I guess a leaf is probably symmetrical. I can make it on one side or the other. So okay, let's move the z-axis. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go to edit mode and start making a leaf so we can loop cut this thing over this end and loop cut over this end. Maybe loop cut here, and oh wait, I'm in loop cut mode. Yeah, maybe dissolve this vertex, dissolve this vertex, and maybe also dissolve this end. Maybe I can just delete this and add a mirror modifier to this thing on the y-axis. I don't need the z-axis. And I can move this down and move this down here and maybe subdivide this thing, or maybe I just need the loop cut again. Where's the loop cut? I need to remember the hotkeys. Oh, it's Control R. Okay, Control R. Okay, so push this down, slightly move, push this down, 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 and we got a basic leaf mesh. Maybe I'll give it some angles over here, maybe slightly wider. And okay, I think this is more or less like a basic leaf sort of mesh-ish over here. Okay, so we can move up a little, move to the sides, move down a little. And see what we can do. So maybe I'll do this and add a should I solidify it just yet? Maybe I'll solidify it. Thickness, this is slightly too thick for a leaf. Maybe 0.05. Okay, I think this is good enough. And do I need any of this offsets itself? Normals, materials, edge data, anything, thickness, clamp, I think not necessary. I think this is good enough. And okay, so now that we are in somewhat of orthogonal view, we can kind of give it some texture to this leaf. Oh wait, I need to do something first. I need to go back to object mode and apply this thing. Okay, apply the mirror modifier first, and we can go to edit mode and move this leaf down. What am I modifying right now? Up. Alright, I haven't applied the solidify modifier yet. No, that's why it's sort of weird. Give it some shape and some dimensionality. Maybe this one can move up, so it creates sort of this saddle point for a leaf. This, make it slightly uneven. Solidify it, how does it look? And shade smooth. Okay, does the normal look right? Okay, I guess it sort of looks like a leaf at this point. So what I can do is start applying the solidify modifier. Oh my goodness, I'm having like slips. Solidify. Okay, I think I can just apply this and we have our leaf made. Okay. So let's call this leaf mesh. And maybe push it somewhere to the side so I don't forget about this. Now, how does it look like with the cat? Maybe put it somewhere around here. Maybe rotate it 90 degrees. And rotate it this way. Or should it be this way? Okay, I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay, it now has a prop. Now I can just go ahead and hide this thing. So, okay, so the next other thing I would probably want to make is like a teapot. So what can I do with a teapot? I would not need to fill the insides of the teapot. Okay, so let's start making the teapot. Should I use a cube or a... Okay, let's just go with a cube. Okay, it's a huge cube. Let's... Oh man, my cursor's like in a weird place. Where's the cursor thing? Where is the cursor? 3D cursor. Go back to origin. Rotation. Origin. Okay. Let's go create a mesh. And I think I was doing 0.15. I think we can also stick to 0.15 or maybe slightly larger. 0.2 to make a pot. And should I move it above ground level? I guess it's fine. So okay, so I would cut it along the x-axis. So I have the spout here and the handle this way. So okay, now I'm supposed to make a teapot out of a cube. Okay, this is some kind of mental Sudoku right here. Okay, loop cut. Here. Okay, wait, I should go to the z-axis. Oh, did I just make a loop cut? Oh, okay, I just did it. Okay, so what I can do is just delete this face. Delete the face and apply, where's the modifier? Apply the mirror modifier on the y-axis. Cool. Do we need... Okay, so I can only mirror one axis. Okay, so the next step is to maybe give it more loop cuts. Loop cut here. Loop cut this way. And... okay, I need to give it a spout. What could I do? What could I do? Okay, maybe I need to add more geometry here. Put it this way. Add more geometry here so I can make a spout. Okay, this is not gonna be so hacky. So maybe I can select this. And select this edge, move it outside this way. And... should I simply extrude this? Will it give me a good effect? Okay, that looks a little bit weird. Oh wait, it's mirrored on the y-axis. On the z-axis, I do not want that. Okay. So maybe this is too much. I can push it back in a little. And also maybe scale it down. Oh, not like this, not like this. Not like this either. Maybe I'm not supposed to scale it, I'm supposed to use this side. Push this thing up. Push this thing here. Push this thing here. Push this thing here. Okay, still looks like a shitty spout, but I think we can make do. No, wrong direction, like this. Put it this way. Put it this way. Okay, now extend this out. Extrude this one more time. Should I tilt it this way? Okay, that looks weird. Maybe move this slightly up this way. Does it look better? Actually, maybe not. Okay, one last final thing. Okay. Maybe push it up again. Does this look like a good spout? He. Let's go to Madcap mode and see whether the shiny looks proper. Is the normals fine? Hmm. Okay, I think I can leave this side for the time being and then start working on the spout side. So, okay, what I can do, I can extend here. So maybe what I need is additional loop cuts here. An additional loop cut here. Did I accidentally make another weird cut somewhere? Okay, I think I did not. Here. Cut. Here. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hacky. Extrude out. Extrude out. Wait, how much did I extrude it out by? Okay, maybe let's go for 0.4. Extrude by 0.4. 0.04. 0.04. Okay, so then I can do another loop cut this side. Maybe give it a factor of negative 0.2 or negative 0.3, negative 0.4. Okay, let's just stick with 0.4. Loop cut this way, negative 0.4. And delete face. Delete face. And join the vertices here. Join vertices here, join vertices here. Join vertices here. And select this, make a face, select this. Oh, we actually just do the one behind first. Make a face here. And I think I do not need to make the face here since this is gonna be solid. So I think all I need is just make this face here. And now we have a very crude looking teapot thing going on here. Okay, so I think this is slightly too fat, so what I need to do is select this thing over here. Actually, I can just select the whole face. And shrink it down this way. Okay. Oh, it's so hard to look at the reflections. Okay, I think I should make this thing look round. Where's bevel to? Where's bevel to? I think 0.5 looks fine. That's the width. Maybe 0.005. 0.005. Maybe move this thing up slightly. Move this thing down slightly. I'm being rough with this, I think it's fine. Or maybe I should bevel this. Where's bevel? Oh, it's Control B. So... does this topology actually make sense? I think it's still quartz. But then there is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the edge is not nice anymore. Okay, this topology looks odd now. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, this is not a... It's not a quad. But this is a quad. Maybe I can use triangles here. But it's also not really nice either. Oh wait, I have an idea. Maybe what I can do is delete this face. Delete this face. And also delete this face. Delete this face. Select this and extrude it out this way. Slightly. Okay, so I can select these two faces and join them. And now I can form a quad here. Triangle. Quad. I think these two vertices are actually redundant now. Or maybe they are not. Okay, maybe I can give it some more to make it look slightly rounder-ish. Okay, I think the topology is better now. So if I do like a shades move, okay, this area still looks a little bit messed up, but I'll fix it afterwards. Hmm. Okay, so we sort of have a teapot looking thing right here, but still not quite a teapot. So what am I missing? Okay, maybe I need to make the spout. Give it a hole. So maybe I insert this face over here. Okay, now there are two spots. It's like a nose. I think I'll fix it afterwards. And once I I applied the mirror modifier. Okay, so now I'm supposed to turn this into a more spherical thing. Can I do like a smooth? Does this stuff work like this? Or am I mistaken? Oh, okay, it does work like in the way that I intended it to. I see, okay, cool. So maybe I'll select this few faces here and start applying the smooth modifier. Oh. Or maybe, what if I just select everything and just move it? What happens? Okay, it gets weirder and weirder and weirder. So I guess I can't do the smile. Okay. Boo, 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 boo. what happens when I smooth it. The bottom looks like it has an S right now. Okay, maybe I can't smooth like the top edges here. So maybe I can only smooth the thing that is not with that particular edge that is beside the mirror itself. Smooth. Okay, it looks slightly more like a teacup, but sort of weird. A spiky one. uh, okay, so I think what I can then now do is... What if I smooth this thing? Oh, I can actually smooth it. Oh, it forms an S. Okay, maybe I don't even need to smooth it at all. What I need to do is just push it in. Push it in this way. Push it in this way. Oh what, there's an asshole over here. Okay, it clips. Okay, I set clipping. Does this look like an asshole, huh? Okay, I think not. Okay, so hard to see. Object mode. Oh my, it does look like a butt. It's not supposed to look like a butt. Why is it looking like a butt? Okay, maybe I can smooth this edges here. Smooth this further. Oh wait, wrong side. Smooth this further. Smooth this further. And smooth this. No. Okay, this is pulling it out. This way. Does that work? Okay. I guess the weird part is that now the base is round, that does not make a lot of sense. I'm probably gonna have to flatten the base. So I guess there's few options. I can either select this two thing and scale it to the, is it the y-axis? If you set it to 0? Okay, it's the wrong axis. It's the z-axis. What happens when I do it this way? Or maybe it's the z-axis. If I flatten this, how does it look? Kind of weird. I do not know how to describe it. I think it's because of this edges here. Maybe I do need additional topology here. I can't exactly pinpoint why, but it looks weird. Okay, so maybe let's try to flatten the top too. Okay, now there's this thing that looks like a butthole. Maybe select this thing and push it further in so it becomes slightly more rounded. And this thing over here, move it slightly down so it looks slightly more like a teapot. And maybe I can do something else to more or less smoothen this side again. Oh boy. This Safaji is also looking weird. What if I go to sculpt mode and flatten this thing? Too huge, too huge, too huge. Okay, still too huge, too huge, too huge. Okay, I think that does not work. I can't use sculpt mode. How would I flatten this? Maybe I'll select this faces and do the same scaling thing, and this time around scale it to x-axis. Okay, now it looks like a monstrosity. What have I done? Maybe it's the y-axis. Okay, I think it's the y-axis. So this is flat. But that still looks weird. Why? Hmm. What do I do? Or maybe I should redo the spout. Oh, I think I know why, because this is not a quad. That explains. So that... Uh... Hmm... Okay, so now it's slightly extruded now. What if I simply extend it now? No, it's a monstrosity. Oh wait, I can't just do this. What do I do? Okay, maybe I'll do the spout later. So now I have to make an opening here for the teapot handle. So okay. Oh no, this looks like a butthole. Okay. I think this should be fine. Okay, making this slightly rounder-ish. Okay, so I think I got the basic teapot shape, and now I'll go back to object mode. This looks odd. Okay, I think this topology should not be too bad right now. Maybe make it look slightly fatter here. I think this is enough topology right now. Oh shit, there's around 166 triangles. Where else could I save on some triangles? Maybe I can cut some of this over here. Okay, so I did indeed manage to save some triangles here. Okay, so maybe move this down. Move this. So I can form a connection here. Form a connection here. And form a connection here 1, 2, 3. So this can actually be consolidated into one triangle. Okay, I think this actually sort of also cleans up the topology here. So this thing also could maybe go up a little. This thing could go up like this. And this thing could go up slightly more. And this thing could go down slightly more. And it sort of rounds things out. Okay, I think the topology here looks slightly better like this. And it also cleans things up. Okay, where else can I save on some triangles? Okay, I'm down by 20 triangles over here. Maybe I can sacrifice on some of the roundness. What if I tried this? I deleted the bottom. Delete the face. Make a face here. Do this. Connect this to form a quad. So I have a funky triangle here. And connect this four to make a bottom. I guess it sort of works out. What if I move this slightly down? Does that change the shape anyhow? Okay, that looks good. So maybe I can sort of move this thing up to make it slightly shorter. Okay. Right, so I saved on about 4 triangles-ish. Now I want to 9 triangles. Maybe I can also save some triangles here. So I have 4 triangles and 2 quads now. So this allows me to control this edge sort of in a flat way. Or maybe this also shouldn't be a quad, it should actually be a triangle. Okay, I think that messes things up further. Anywhere I can optimize stuff. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or maybe I can also delete this vertex and form a face like this. Likewise with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this becomes a triangle. Okay, I saved another 4 triangles over here. Where else can I save? Or what if this goes down this way? Do I actually need this additional topology? Oh shit, I actually do need this topology. Oh wait, I can also actually delete this. And I can turn this to a quad. And this into a triangle. Okay, save another 2 triangles here. Where else? Where else? Is the shape still fine? Okay, looks sort of nice. Okay, what if I save some triangles here? So I delete this set of vertices and create a quad here. So 1, 2, 3. Maybe a fan-like structure could help. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes a quad. Not too great, not too great. Oh, why am I getting weird vertices over here? Is there some issues with Blender that I'm not aware of? Okay, I'm going to turn off the mirror modifier for a while. Okay, so I have this spout-like thing. Okay, so I guess using like a triangle fan out thing is better than using a quad here, but did I see any triangles here? Okay, by 1. What else can I be doing? What if I deleted this vertical? Oh shit, what else did I delete? Delete this vertex. Connect it here from the face. Now I have this fan structure here. And a quad here instead. Does this do anything? Okay, I save another 4 vertices here, so it's not 110 triangles. Okay, where else can I save? Where else can I save? Push it down. Hmm. This feels odd actually, so maybe what if I delete this vertex? And delete this vertex and turn this to a quad. Turn this to also another quad. Turn this to a quad. Turn this to another quad, but at some point I would need additional topology. So should I use this? Use this triangle thing over here instead? I'm at 104 triangles. I guess I did save some triangles here. Oh, but what if I did this instead? Use this as triangles. Do I save any Do I save anything doing this? Okay, I saved 2 triangles, so I'm at 102 triangles now. Oh wait, I can also delete this edge and form a quad here instead. Any more savings? Okay, but I'm still at 102. That did not do anything. But it does clean up the topology by a fair bit. Right, I can also flatten this. And move this edge in. Okay, so I think this is probably a fairly optimized teapot base right now. So I'll... Any more triangles? I think 102 triangles should be good enough. Let's go ahead and apply... Okay, I feel something is off over here. Am I missing anything? Oh, right. Could it be this face, actually? Oh, I think that's a duplicated edge. Oh, indeed. Hated edges. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay, I can turn this to a quad. Okay, does it clean things up? Does it clean things up? Okay, it looks less funky right now. Oh, can I do the same thing? One, two, three, four. Maybe I can do the same thing. Ah, and then I can also simplify this one. One, two, three, four. Okay, I think this is a fairly simplified topology right now. Wait, one, two, three, four. What if I delete this thing and turn this to a triangle? Okay, I save a fair bit of triangles. So I went from 200 triangles to around 92. Can I do better? Hmm. Where else could I save on stuff? Hold up. This could be a quad, actually. Still 92. Any more optimizations? Any more optimizations? What if I deleted this? And did this. And I can delete this edge. And I'm at 90 triangles. Okay, so yeah, at 90 triangles right now. Save another 10 more triangles. Am I ready to merge this? Oh man. I have been spending like the past 1 hour just like trying to reduce the triangle count on this thing. Oh wait, hold up. I can actually reduce 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I found another thing over here that I can simplify. This vertex. Make this into a quad. And I had now. Oh, okay, so I did save about 2 more triangles. Does it change the shape a fair bit? I think it looks sort of fine to me. I think this is slightly still jutted out. And this vertex now also be a quad. So that puts us at 88 vertices. Okay, but this looks bad. Why does that look bad though? Let's try other madcaps. Where's the madcap? Wasn't it under view? Oh, it's here. I'm tripping. Okay, the edges here still look bad. I do not like this. Okay, that looks like there are also like additional edges here for some reason. I'm too ambitious, so I'll do this one first. Okay, this thing over here looks bad. Oh, what? No wonder there's like some weird... Oh boy. Okay, so there's some weird geometry thing going on at this site. What could be the reason why? Let's try a different madcap. Does clay look fine? Sort of okay, not too satisfied on this side. Maybe it does need actually more geometry here. Or maybe I can push this. What? Can push in this direction and actually I can delete this edge. And form a quad here. But it looks weird. Why is that the case? Does this improve things? It seems like it did not improve anything. Oh my god. Okay, deleted some loose stuff. Okay, so where are we right now? Right, we are at Madcap mode to see whether things are looking fine. Sort of fine in this mode actually. Ah, this looks ugly. Geometry here is bad. Okay, this is a very bad geometry over here. Harsh lighting. Okay, it's obvious this is an issue. Ah. Oh well. I don't think I can do this in like 2 hours, but I think I did fairly well for this pot thing. Uh, yeah, I'll continue on a different time. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. I think I'm approaching the end of my time slot in about 3 minutes. Let me check the chat. Oh man, I've been ignoring the whole chat. uh, what happened with Flaw? I have no clue. I am not an investor in Webaverse, though I have some Webaverse passes, but I do not care about the prizes. Like, I buy NFTs to lose money, so it's not a problem for me. Fed, what's up? Swore? What is swore? Can someone explain to me what is swore? GM. I think I'm probably gonna end the stream at this point. I think I will continue this for a different session. But this is how the cube, we have done a cube, and we also have done a leaf thing. Where is it? Right over here. And there's like the cat rig over here. Okay, it's in this S. I'll just leave it here. Let's admire this from different matte caps. Marbly texture, matte cell shading textures, studio light. This looks like latex. Oh, this is funky as hell. Right, so I guess one tip for 3D modeling is that like MatCap is really useful for checking your normals. If your normals are kind of messed up, like you would very easily see it with MatCaps. So it's always like a good idea to kind of cycle between like various MatCaps to see whether you're uh, like you done fucked up with like your normals and stuff. Um, yeah, I guess I'm coming to the end of my stream. Nice talking to you, everyone. Uh, Thanks for the stream. Missed the beginning, but hope to catch next session. Yeah, yeah, I think I didn't manage to do much in 2 hours. I'm not sure whether I'm being very helpful, but like for the first 1 hour, it was just like me messing up with the topology to kind of fix things. But this is how it is right now. Yeah, still very far away from getting done. Like making like good 3D models that has good topology is actually hard. Um, yeah, but it's kind of like necessary if you want to do it for to make like the assets game ready. Otherwise, like things would just like lag people like rental cycles and stuff. Yeah, but that's it from me. Nice meeting you all, and thanks for watching the stream. I am done for today. Okay, I probably need to stop the stream.